Hi guys, I'm Miss Chen. Welcome back. Today is the last class for learning radicals. So that means we've learned 20 radicals already. Very impressive. Okay, let's get started. The first radical today means eyes. You can see from the picture, it looks a little like an eye. The character 看 has this radical. The next radical means earth. This radical is also a character. When it's an independent character, it means soil. Also related to earth, so it's easy to remember once you know it. Okay, here are the final 2 radicals we need to know. How do you feel now? Today is the last class for learning radicals, so we need to do some revision together. You've already learned all these 10 radicals, so simply match them and you've got it. I believe in you.